So this video is on how to fix your Zippo. One of the problems you might have is that when you do tricks it slides out. Like you'll end up like that and it won't close properly. To fix that, you're going to grab a rag or something soft, fold it. So you have like 4 layers. Fold it over it. Grab some pliers and the edge closer, well, farther away from the hinge is where you're going to want to bend it. And you're going to slowly bend until you have a bent one, but it's not too bent. It still lines up good with this one, just a little bit tighter. And that solves your
make that as a blooper.
and that solves your hinge problem. Second issue you might have is that the wick is burnt out, so it doesn't light the first time. Can you see that? The wick is pretty burnt out. To fix this, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the shell off, take the insert. You can use a cap. You're gonna take the screw out, and I'm gonna put it inside here so I won't lose it. And the little flint. By the way, you can get a flint from a big ladder to remove the wheel, and right under that you can get like a 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter wick. Ooh, alright, now you get something pointy and you take out this thing, whatever it's called, the little there's gonna be 6 cotton balls about the size of half a cotton ball. You can replace these with normal cotton balls, just rip them in half. Let's see, 1. Wait, that's 2. 3, 4, 5. Yep. And you're going to want to leave the 5th one in there because it's around the little thing. So you're going to want to leave that one there. And now you can see the wick inside. Can you see that? Next thing you're going to grab some nose pliers. As these keychain. And you're going to pull it out. Pull until you have enough new, and then reach in there, and because you don't want to cut off too much. That's good. Now you're going to grab some scissors and you're going to line it up with the chimney, so right there. You pull down just a little bit. And you're going to want to straighten out the wick. See? It's really long. A lot of people don't know about that. That's what she said. A lot of people don't know you have that much wick, so you should never really have to replace it. Alright, maybe you might have to. After a long time. You're gonna put in the pieces of cotton back in. Now, after you put the first one in, you're gonna pull on the wick so it's at the point where you want it, and and then you fold it over it like that. You add another piece of cotton in there, and you fold it over again. Add the last few pieces of cotton in there. No, you don't. And then you put, oh, no. There you go, and you add the last piece. There you go, new wick. Now you're gonna want to put fuel, but first let's put this on again. That on. But you wait, the flint. Don't forget the flint. The flint in. The screw. Grab the pointy thing again, open it up, and add Zippo fuel. It's best to use Zippo fuel, or you can use the other one, other kind. You can't use butane. And put it in there. That looks good. Oh dang, I overfilled it. If you overfill it, just squeeze onto it. Clean that up. And then you're going to want to add a little bit of fuel to the actual wick. That extends the wick life. There you go. And put it back in. See? Look at that flame, brand new flame. There you go, brand new Zippo, restored. And then if you want to clean it, it's a good idea to use Zippo fuel. Put a little bit on a rag, and you clean it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There you go.